OMG, what do she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this helper picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. She's two-faced. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Mister. A baby boy, and he came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes, what's up? I had to get cute today. I'm about to do for a boost today. Look good to my baby that just paid bill. Here's shoot today. New shoes today. Transport check, get two today. Yesterday. Did you get the glue today? Gone, be fit up. Mood champ. It's the 15th. I got my food stamps. New piercing, a brand new tax. Paid $95 plus tax files. Why Sam Song? No we had us can't along. Thinking that you better than I am, but then you think wrong. She a lie. My number, boy, bye. What is wrong with you? Shh, be quiet. Hey, girl, you look good. Come on, let me see what you just told me. Oh, okay. We gonna talk to you later. Bye. OMG, what do she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. Let me take this helper picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. I just wanna punch her in her face. Stand her. She too fake. Email but my girlfriends call me Carrie. The club is sleeping, so 11, drinking, then we party. Yes, I am the baddest. Please, boo-boo, sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Maury. That's my press on. Pound T, dark skin. We don't like them red bones. Good look in my picture. New AV got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. Team Flip Phone. Team Chris Brown. If you don't shut it up, then the team shut it down. Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then he paying. Girl. What is wrong with her? She's too fake. What does she have on? Girl, her lace front is all wrong. Give me the phone. I gotta take this helper picture. I got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. I just want to punch her in her face. She's too fake. Leopard skins on. Leopard skins. Whatever. Boy, bye.